To begin, open the Facebook Messenger app on your phone. Now open the group chat where you want to create the event. Next, tap on the plus button located in the bottom left corner. From the menu that appears, select Event. On the new event page, you can change the event picture from here. Then enter the desired name for your event. Then, set the event start date and time. You can also add an end date and time if needed. Additionally, you can add a location and a description, which are optional. After entering all the details, tap Create in the top right corner. That's it. Your group event has been successfully created in the Messenger group chat. If you long press the event, you will see several options such as creating a task, pinning the event, editing it, or forwarding it. This allows you to easily organize and schedule group activities, so everyone stays informed and on the same page. So that's how you can create group events on Facebook Messenger.